Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Dog Show Divas. My name is Makoy Tabs.
I am Baus Rufo at alam naman po namin na masama at pangit ang mga ugali namin. Hindi na po namin mababago yon. Pero ang panglabas na anyo, may pag-asa pa.
May pag-asa pa. Kaya ipinatawag po namin with all our powers ang kapitapitagan, kagalang-galangan, ang nag-iisang Doktora Vicky Bello.
Yes. Hello, Doktora.
Thank you for inviting me. I'm so kilig naman. I'm such a fan of the show.
Oh,
Thank you,
Kaya,
Doktora.
pang good vibes lang.
Yes.
I was feeling sad. Manonood ako. And after a while, tatawa na lang ako. Wala naman ako naiintindihan. Go.
Yun naman yung goal, Doktore.
Correct.
Diba?
Pag may naintindihan na kayo, ipa-check nyo na kung ano yun.
Tatawagan ko ng guys, you're making sense. You better check. You're getting lost.
Ay,
Oo.
So, Doktora, of course, katulad nga ng sinabi namin sa intro namin, please, drawingan mo ang mga mukha namin at tell us ang mga kailangan namin gawing enhancements, procedures.
Yes, because naniniwala kami na ang beauty is not in the eye of the beholder.
Yes.
It's in the hands of the doctor.
And we also believe that the pen is mightier than the sword.
Yes, that's why, Doktora, we saw that you brought 2 pens.
Yes, I brought my markers.
Oh, yeah.
I have to mark where, whenever you do anything, kailangan may mapa.
May
Hindi
mapa.
naman. Hindi ka naman pwedeng basta gumawa-gawa na lang, di ba?
Oo.
Baka mawala ka.
Yes.
Diba? After a while, parang pag na-improve mo na yung isang side, teka muna, ano yung kailangan dito sa kabila, di ba?
You know what? I just realized that Doktora Vicky Bello is the bastion of face mapping.
Diba? Siya
Bastion talaga.
ang kakabog sa Waze. Diba?
she is the leader of Google Face Maps.
Correct. Diba? And on that note, simulan na natin.
Yeah?
Sinong
Sa inyong
mauna?
dalawa?
Let's start with the age first.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Is it beauty
30
before age or age before beauty, younger to older, or respect for the
maybe
elder person?
respect for the elderly.
yeah, I think it's milk before bed. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Make
Salamat.
sure it's warm.
Teka, I want to see if we've known each other a long time.
Yes.
We met once.
We met,
long time
like
ago.
5-6 years
Pero
ago.
at least kami may interaction. So, Makoy, anong feeling mo
ayan.
dapat kailangan niya?
Doktora!
I will start
Nape-pressure
the
ako!
fight. Okay.
Start the fight.
Hindi pa raw sila nag-aaway ever.
Hindi
Pa.
pa. Doktora, so si Baus, we know each other. We're friends since the 2020s. So, may mga 6 years. So, ayokong magsalita na, kasi ang turo sa akin ng nanay ko, kung wala kang magandang sasabihin, manahimik ka na lang.
Correct.
Pero, since mahal kita, alam kong, sa akin di ba may mga enhancements?
Hindi
So,
nakita ng mga tao, pero yung puot ang nakita ko sa mata mo.
Poot ba?
Poot,
Oo.
oo.
Pero I believe,
Anong po?
Matinding malalim na galit.
yes, that is deep inside the rejuvenation level of the cell.
Na-excite ka na.
Na-excite ako,
Saan ka
Doktora.
ba? Sa baba
Ha?
o sa taas?
Actually, pwedeng babataas ako.
Wow.
Oo. What do you think about him?
Wow!
I-roll na natin to! I-roll na natin to! Eto na, isama niyo sa editor. Doktora, what do you think about him bago mong drawingan ng mukha ng kaibigan
Ano,
ko?
baba, taas?
Yes.
Likod?
Hindi.
ABC?
Hulaan mo kung siya ba ay pang itaas or pang ibaba. Based on your intuition.
From his very sweet demeanor
Mm-hmm.
and his submissive nature, I think. Nature, talaga? Hindi?
Hindi,
Baba?
sige, Doktora. Baba.
I will call my lawyers. Yes. Pareho po kami ni Makoy.
Because we are spontaneous
Correct.
and we are versatile.
We are flexible.
Flexible.
We welcome everyone because love is love.
Oo. Pero Doktora, I like it that you've mentioned.
Love is love talaga.
Pero ang ganda nung sinabi mo, Doktora, submissive.
Correct.
Submissive ba siya?
Yes,
Or tingin ko lang sa kanya submissive.
No.
Pag nai-in love to,
submissive siya. Pero right
Oo.
now, he
Give
is...
everything.
Give everything.
are you in love?
And he is going to submit himself because ready na ang pen.
Correct.
Wala ka pong sinabi.
Ay, feeling
Pero-
ko
Yeah.
Oh,
sa cheeks,
so cheeks.
oo.
Kung cheeks, Doc, anong
Ano bang-
recommendation?
Can you look at me? Full face. You know what I would like to do? Kasi medyo malalim yung kanyang nasolabial fold.
Nasolabial folds.
Pwede na mag-medicine.
Doktora, you're looking at one. You're looking at
Doktor
the
siya
doctor.
sa The Good Doctor sa TV5.
No kidding.
Yeah, I am.
You are the good doctor?
I am
You're part of the show. What
I'm
kind
part
of a
of the
doctor are you?
oncologist.
Excuse me. Tingnan mo ha, nakikita ba sa, when
Yes,
I
yes.
lift like that, the cheek, smile. Oh, smile. Don't smile. So when you put the cheek in the right place, that's why you're pretty when you smile. Because the cheek goes up. Diba? And sana, ideally, mga kids, it should stay there. Smile again. Oy, release. Oh, dapat medyo ganun siya. And then look at the nasolabial fold. Hindi na masyadong hindi na masyadong deep, di ba? So, dapat, his side kasi, if you look at, when you take a picture, look at me again. Which side do you give? I
This
would
one.
guess
Yeah, this one.
This is a smaller side.
Correct.
Do you notice his face is medyo more malaki here? Mas mabigat dito.
May dala siya doon.
Oo, bidala ka. Ano bang overweight ng konti yung iyong maleta dito?
Correct.
Overweight ang
Ngayon,
maleta.
since overweight ang maleta mo dito, mas malaki yung mukha mo dito. You know, your face, dapat, they're not twins. The left and right side should not look the same.
Aha.
Pero they should be sisters.
Sisters.
Yes, ano
Bakla ka
kasi?
talaga.
Bakla talaga.
Oh,
Correct.
ngayon.
So ano ang recommended nyo na course of action to address this?
If I were to do your face, I would lift this cheek, but I would make this cheek smaller. And then, do you like your chinita eyes, or would you like? To do
Yes, because
anything?
Kim Chu is my idol.
Kim
Yeah.
Chu, she's very nice. She's a
Yeah.
Bella baby.
Bella baby.
Si Paolo rin ang crush mo. I saw him when he emphasizes a point. What does he do?
Yeah.
Ay.
He makes kunot-kunot,
Oo.
the ilong-ilong.
Correct.
This is what you call the nasalis.
Nasalis.
Umalis ka, nasalis.
Oh my
Alis.
God.
Salis. Pag may kuto ka, salis. Okay.
Oo.
Okay, so ngayon, nandito siya, dito sa ano. When he makes an expression, he moves both his, that's why look, nagkakaroon na siya ng wrinkle sa ilong.
Wrinkle in time.
Wrinkle in time.
Correct.
So actually, the best way would be to do Botox.
Aha.
Or what's a great idea would be is you can lift your nose a bit, make your nose a little. Then when you look at the tip of the nose, what do you think?
The tip of the nose?
Oo.
Pango.
Pango ba? Pango ba,
Hindi naman siya
doktor?
pango,
Ay, hindi
pero
ba?
rounded.
Rounded.
Ayaw natin ng round.
Oh, round and round by Sugar
Okay
Babes.
lang naman ng round and round, kaya lang huwag masyadong round.
Okay.
So, halika dito.
Ayan.
Medyo malaki.
Grabe, yung confidence ko, ubus na.
Masyadong,
Ayan.
diba? Sana pino siya, pino. So, dapat nawawala itong area.
Ayan. Parang Olaf naman na yan, doktora.
Dapat,
Doktora, parang ginawa mo naman Olaf si Ba?
Correct.
God, it's your turn later. Wait a while.
Okay.
I will get to you.
Ah, okay.
Do not laugh there.
Okay, okay.
You can laugh at him later. Okay.
I
Okay,
will.
okay.
Okay.
I already am. Okay.
Ang ganda ng skin, to be fair.
Oo.
Oh, thank you.
Ngayon, smile for me. Okay, anong problema natin pag smile? Don't smile. Smile again. Okay.
Pag
Does his smile upgrade him or downgrade him?
the smile,
Does it make him look better or not better?
better.
Do you think it makes him look
Yes.
better? I agree with you. He has a beautiful smile. However, meron tayong problema.
Parang madami nga po eh.
Pag nagsasmile ka, sumasama yung ilong mo.
Ah,
diba?
Clingy.
Oo.
Clingy na clingy yung ilong. Grabe.
Yung nerve magka-connect, ganon.
Sana pag nag-smile ka, dito lang yung ilong mo. Dapat kasi mas narrow.
So pag mag-smile ako, pag sa picture,
Diba,
selfie tayo.
gumaganon siya.
Oo.
Lagyan mo ng clothespin sa gabi pag matutulog ka.
So lahat po ng tao behind the camera right now, pinipisil na po nila yung mga ilong nila, and I'm sure you guys are doing the same thing if you are watching this video.
Kasi masyadong strong ang, smile again. Yeah, masyadong strong to muscle dito.
As may strong na
pwede
muscles
naman
sa
i-botox
nasalis.
lang.
Correct.
Pwede i-botox dito para maging mas pino ang ilong at siya.
Well, may alam kami na muscle relaxant kung masyadong strong. Ito ay ang amyl.
Nitrate. Actually,
Okay.
doktor, I have a feeling, kaya siguro narrow yung too much use. Chos. Hindi ML lang pero yeah.
Okay.
Amyl nitrate.
Yeah.
Ano yan? It's too complicated chemically.
Street
for
term
me.
is poppers.
Poppers.
Popper!
Yes.
Correct.
Alam mo ba? You think this is new?
Is it not?
Is it? Wait.
You know, when
Teach
when I
us.
was 16 years old, ayan, which was only 20 years ago. Na,
We believe you. We believe you.
No, my age is your favorite number. What's your favorite number?
69.
Exactly.
What's your favorite number, Doctora?
25. But that doesn't have anything to do with anything. But anyway, but 69. But when I was young, I was born 1957. So in the 70s, may clubs in New York
Oh.
na ang pangalan ay Studio 54. Na sobrang mayabang na pagpasok mo sa loob, walang tao naman masyado, pero yung linya sa labas, ang haba-haba. Titingnan ka mabuti. Are you beautiful enough to enter a club?
Oh my
Do you
God.
look classy enough to
Diba?
enter our club? Are you dressed well enough to enter our club? If you are not dressed well, go home.
Does your
Go
nose
away.
follow your smile?
Yeah. Do you have lot of baggage in your cheeks?
Correct.
Kung ganon, hindi ka na makakapasok.
So ganun.
Pero doon sa Studio 54 na yun, moda-moda ang poppers. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na ang pangalan pala ay Amyl
Nitrate.
Nitrate.
Yes.
Okay, I never knew what it was because I'm the kind of person I don't know how to drink. I don't ever take drugs. I'm such a straight arrow. Because I'm high naturally. So,
Yeah.
pag pinapasa-pasa nila yon, sabi ko, para saan ba yan? But anyway, you're supposed to just breathe it.
Sniff, yes.
Sniff, sniff. And then you feel just a little happy. Tingly. Tingly
I
sensation.
learned a word. Tingly.
Tingly of the little tingle. Tingly of the little tingle. Ano ba talaga nangyayari sa amyl nitrate na yan?
Correct. I love it. A very medical side quest that we just took there.
Yeah.
Pero ang ganda ng jawline, wait.
Oh,
Your
thank
jawline
you.
is nice.
Wow.
Your chin is in the right place. We always put that pencil test to see. It's maybe 1 millimeter kulang, but it's pretty good. It's really good already na hindi ka yung one of those people na yung chin pasok, di ba?
Oo, kasi pag baka Sure, just kidding.
Chug. And then maganda ang jawline niya. Of course, you can make it more snatch if you want to. But frankly, it's fine. This one's just a little too round for me. I would just want to make it a little more pointy.
Pointy.
Diba? Because when you do, can you go like this? Pretend you're kissing me. So, wala naman siya mga little popliteal things here. So that's fine.
Popliteal.
When you do the chin for a man, do you want to be a man or a woman?
For now, I want to be a man.
Okay.
But I might change my mind.
So it has to be a little more, parang more square. Maganda yung jaw. Yung chin mo, maganda siya. It's square. Yeah.
Pwede na siya
It's just
magkasa,
that it's
Ganda.
nice when your mouth is open.
Oh,
Your chin-
I've been told. Yeah.
You know, when your mouth is open, your chin is perfect. But when your mouth closes, close your mouth, suddenly it flattens. You see that?
Yes.
Yeah. So I want it to be, when you open your mouth again, look how perfect.
Yeah. So your recommendation, Doc, maging open na lang yung mouth
Lagi
niya.
ka na lang mag-walk around ng, ano?
Ay!
Wala ka.
No. But it's really, no, you don't really need much. You're cute. If there's anything.
Gusto ko yung after, you don't really need much.
After saying no, what did you ever want to do with your space? Was there ever a
I'm
time you
perfectly-
look in the mirror and you go, no, it would be nice if I.
No, I mean, I've had a few enhancements on my face. So I'm very happy with this now. I mean, of course, kung kaya nating magpa-rhinoplasty, why not? But right now, I mean, and it has taken a while for me to look in the mirror and say, you know what's this? Work. So I'm so happy right now. And nakuha ko ng 3 compliments on top of the 8 criticisms that I got.
Ang ganda ng skin eh. The skin is, I think the most important thing in a face is the skin. I mean, I don't
Yes.
think however good you look, if your skin is not at least this nice, di ba? Parang tingnan mo, no blackheads, no whiteheads. So smooth.
Oh my
Diba?
God! Na-compliment ni
Very
Doktora
good.
Vicky Bello ang balat ko.
Palakpakan naman natin
Yes,
siya.
palakpakan
naman natin.
Good. Take a bow.
Thank you.
Take a bows.
Now it's your turn.
Oh my God, I'm afraid. Because my skin, it's not good since I was a kid. I'm oily.
You're oily. So
I'm really
fix that.
oily.
You have to come to me, McCoy, because you have to go. I know you're an Alabang Bang boy.
Yes.
So when I do an Alabang Bang day, but you can go naman to Makati because we were on the way home.
Yes, I mean, Greenbelt area.
Okay,
of
so let
course.
me look at your pretty face. So the eyes are so nice. What you think?
Yes.
Okay.
Parang napilitan.
Parang-
Maganda.
Yes.
Maganda yung
I
eyes
love
niya.
the
Very
eyes.
expressive.
You love the eyes?
Frown for me. No problem with Botox.
Wow.
He doesn't have any frown. Nose, I think maybe when you were younger you had blackheads and whiteheads. in your nose.
Yes.
Did you make it to wrist?
Before, yes.
So it's very bad to tourist your own nose.
Yeah, don't tourist it.
Don't tourist it because then there will be, look, oh, he has a couple of... But it's very easy to fix. You
What is the
Talaga?
procedure to fix yung mga ganyang
we
wrong
call
decisions in
we call it
life?
TCA cross to make the pores smaller. Yeah.
Okay.
I can point out the pores.
O kasi those are the moon craters eh.
Hindi naman, maliliit.
Maliliit
Paano
lang ba?
naging moon crater. But what do you think of your nose?
I like my nose.
You like your nose, okay.
It's big lang.
But you like it.
I like
You know,
it.
for me, if you like how you look, then that's so important because then it glows, di ba?
Yeah.
I only really put up Bello because there were people like me. So I'm adopted. Do you want a sob story?
Cute, dramatic
You
music.
get ready.
Go.
Dramatic music, go.
Okay.
So I'm adopted. So when I was 5 years old, my friends would tease me because they knew I was adopted. You know how people are when people are adopted. They're kind of mean. So they say things like, behind your back, they go, ampon lang yan. Like somehow you're not quite a full human being because you've been adopted. So finally, one of my classmates, who's only naman 5, went up to me and said, ba't ka binigay ng parents mo? Di ba? Sakit nun ah. Ba't ka pinamigay? So, I didn't know what to answer because I really don't know, right? So somebody said, kasi she's so fat. Because I was a fat baby, a kid. And then somebody else said, no, it's not because she's fat, it's because she's so ugly. How mean are you? Your 2 classmates whose names I don't remember. Actually, I have to thank you because of you, I started Bello Medical Group. Yes. Kasi sabi ko, ganun pala yun. Pag pangit ka, pinamimigay ka.
Grabe naman.
Ganun naman sila bad. So, ang ginawa ko at 5 years old, I decided I will make everybody pretty. And I will make everybody handsome and sexy. So, mamahalin sila. At hindi sila pamimigay. Okay? So, that was my dream as a 5-year-old. But I didn't know how to do it. Right? Luckily or unluckily, at 11 years old, ang dami kong tigyawat. Sobrang daming pimples, sobrang daming blackheads. 1 time, 2 times, we counted it with the facialist, how many there were. I had 1,200 pimples.
Ang dami.
Ang dami naman yun. Kawawa naman ako. So, and then at that time, konti lang ang derma. So, maghihintay ka talaga. And I would wait there for 2 hours. Walang appointment. While I was sitting in their waiting room, I would look at their clinic. Then I would say, when I decided kasi that's what I would do to make people pretty. Because I was feeling so self-conscious sa acne ko. So sabi ko, when I get big, I'll be a derma. At hindi ako magpapahintay ng tao. I'll make it by appointment para hindi sila maghintay. O, diba?
You see? That's what
Number
I'm
1. Number 2, sabi ko, gagandahin ko yung clinic ko. Di ba maganda clinic ko?
Maganda.
And yung Nexa right now, talagang a glimpse of the future, di
That was
ba?
the point. I asked my husband, I said, Harden, can you build me a clinic in 2050?
Na pwede maging spaceship. kung
Oh,
kinakailangan.
pwede na. Kasi sabi ko, I don't like to only be here in 2020. When did he build? 2024. I said, I want to see the future. Kasi baka wala na ako nun. So he built me Nexa. That's why it's called Nexa because it's the Nexa level.
It's very bading, no?
Yeah,
Nexa.
So, binanda ko yung clinic ko para, kasi pangit yung mga clinic noon.
Ano po mga pangalan ng clinic na yun?
Talaga. Ang tagal na nun, 11 years old lang ako, so wala na sila. And then, may mga plastic flowers.
Plastic. Ay, hindi totoo
Oh my
yung flowers.
gosh. Ano yan sa likod mo? Totoo ba yan?
Which one?
Yan.
Plastic.
Plastic.
Plastic ang kanilang studio. I
And
cannot
it's
Oh my
believe
God.
this.
Dr. Vicky Bello clocking the plastic flower.
Okay.
And then, no, I said I would make it real flowers. And then I wouldn't put torn magazines. Have you ever been to a clinic na may torn magazines?
Grabe
Most of the
naman.
time.
Kasi di ba old na yan, mga 6 months, tapos beauty clinic, does it go together?
No.
No. If you're a beauty clinic, you have to have a beautiful clinic.
Correct.
Right? And you have to make everything look aesthetically nice because that would show what kind of person you are. How can you have good aesthetics? Yan, looking at you, ang ganda mo, ha?
Oy.
Hindi po, sulatan niyo pa po yung mukha niya.
Mark. Oo nga, ba't maraming sulat sa'yo?
Sulatan mo pa ako, Doktora.
Okay,
What
look
else
at
can
me.
we do?
Eyes are nice, no problem. I think we need to make this a little less chubby chub. Or do you like it like this?
I want to make it
You want to make it
Yung ready to...
being snatched. So looking at you, I think the best, because it's really, I guess, genetic, because you're not fat. So I think maybe the best thing to do would be to do a buccal fat pad removal.
Buccal fat.
Yes, para hindi na tayo magkokontur-kontur dyan. Para pasok na siya.
I always hear that, Doc. Gaano katagal yung downtime ng buccal fat
Yeah.
removal?
It's actually it's not bad. It depends on the person though. It can go anywhere from 1 day to 5 days. Depending on the person. Oo, ganun. Sige, I'll make it 1 week kasi we never know, right? But I think it's the most it will be. I would like to snatch, of course, your jawline a little more. But first, this would be good to make it go in.
so buckle
Oo.
fat.
Buccal fat.
And then we'll do the side view.
Ayan.
And we'll do the pencil test.
Okay,
So
ayan
from the
na.
upper lip down.
So, sunod ba
What
ang
do you
ilong?
think? Medyo kulang ng konti ang kanyang babay.
Ang babe.
Yes, pero actually ang
Daga.
ganda ng proportions ng lips niya, yung upper and yung lower.
Oh, ang ganda ng lips.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng eyes. Gusto niya yung nose niya. Kung pasok natin dito with the buccal fat pad, that would be good. I think only a little more stretch here would be nice. And a little more stretch here.
Okay.
Because we need to have a square jaw. His is not too square. It can just be a little more square. But
He has a
it's
strong
actually-
jaw already.
It's already a strong jaw. And then, of course, you have to get rid of this.
Yeah.
Ay, ano po
Yes.
yan?
Now, when we touch it, okay, chin down, we touch it. It's not fat.
Oh, what is that?
It's only loose skin.
Ayan, masyadong maluwag.
Maluwag.
Kaka-poppers.
Ano pang maluwag sa'yo?
Doktora, madami.
Oh, no. Wala akong cure yata dun sa iba.
I believe meron.
No, nakakatuwa na hindi pala fat yun because I think there is a misconception that that's fat. So that is loose
In
skin.
his case, that's why you make him look down, chin down, and then you touch it. Because when you touch it, you will feel that there is no fat. Uy. Baka naman you lost weight. Hindi
I
natin-
lost weight.
How did you lose weight?
You know, gym.
Oh, totoo.
And Emil.
Ano si Emil? Alam ko ang OMAD. Anong Emil?
No.
Emil Knight.
Yes.
Nakaka-lose ba yun?
Ng ibang bagay.
Ibang
Correct.
part of the body,
Correct.
doktora.
Pero maraming salamat, Doc, sa enhancements na ginawa nyo. So, hindi na po kami maliligo because only Bello touches our
Ay,
skin.
sige, oo nga naman.
Correct.
Pero
Okay.
pagpunta nyo sa clinic, alam nyo nang gagawin nyo.
Actually, ito na po ang gawin nyo. Alam na namin.
Oo.
Okay. So, kailan ko kayo makikita? Maalala ko naman yan. Pwede naman ako mag-drawing. Maghilamos ka, ha?
Yes,
Babe, parang mas
doktora.
marami yung kailangan gawin sa akin kaysa yung sayo.
Hindi, pero yung akin kasi, ito talaga yung matagal ko ng reklamo eh. Bawas ito. The bakal talaga.
Baka.
Oo, bakal.
Hindi bakal, ha?
Buckle gym.
Oo, bakal.
Bak-
Yeah,
Pero yung iba, nagpo-pronounce sila ng buccal.
Oh,
Buccal.
Ano ba talaga?
Pero hindi buccal talaga siya kasi B-U-C-C-A-L. Wala namang buc yung
oo.
CC.
Pag nauntog ka, meron kang buckle.
Yakal.
Yun, bokol. Pwede
Bokol.
pa.
Bokol fat
Bokol.
removal.
Let's be more social.
Yeah.
So, when I listen to you sometimes, it's iba kayo mag-pronounce sa mga Tagalog words.
Talaga?
So,
I-
ayan. Para mas social siya.
Para mas social.
I
Oh,
love
diba?
it.
Wait, doktora. Pero eto, thank you for putting the drawing. So, ngayon, alam na namin
Teka
kung...
muna, idodraw ko muna.
Art,
meron pa?
Jawline.
art gaze na talaga tayo dahil
Art gaze.
art yung mukha. Meron pang jawline.
Wala na, nasira ng pencil ko.
Correct, meron
Pencil
pa sila,
to.
no?
Okay.
Okay. Dapat doon sa screen.
Ayan.
Kasi kulang ang drawing mo dito.
Ah.
Kawawa naman si Baus, mas maano siya.
Kailangan yung panga niya, pwede nang kayuran ng nyog.
Smile. Kasi bye-bye. Bye-bye, di ba? Tapos eto, yan. Okay.
Pareho tayo, chin sisters tayo.
Chin sister.
Oh.
O, diba? Para ka ng
It's-
member ng Aztec tribe. Oh.
Oo. Ikaw
Aztec
naman, para ka
talaga.
ng cast ng Lion King.
Correct. Diba?
Wow. Bakit naman Lion King? Ang ganda-ganda ng mga Lion King. Ang ganda
Ay, so
ng mga...
bakit kami? Okay, so doktora, alam namin na isa kang chocolate lover before,
Yeah.
not sure
No,
now.
even now naman, I still love it, but I was addicted to it before.
Mm.
So I would eat it every single day.
Ay,
Kami
parang
So many times a day. Before breakfast, after brushing my teeth, make baon to the work. After, they know na if I'm masungit, may box of chocolates. Yeah, then I'll be happy na.
I love it.
But I could never lose the weight. I wanted to be this weight. Actually, I feel very sexy at my weight
You
now.
look amazing.
No, but it's so weird because at the age of 69 is my best body ever. Duh.
Lovely.
Wrong
Love that for
timing.
you.
Wrong timing. However, nandiyan pa rin si Hayden, to be fair.
I mean,
course.
Thank you, Hayden, for always making me feel sexy. Yes, he still does. So, di ba? Parang,
Oo.
I was thinking, you don't think about it because the age gap is 23 years. And of course, I never want to be like everybody else. So, I want to be, in the clinic, I used to see so many women crying because their husbands exchanged them for a younger model. Di ba? Parang when you reach a certain age, gusto na nila yung mga 25, 23, naiirita ako. So sabi ko, I'm gonna do it the opposite way.
right now, meron kaming mga ingredients na pin-repair and we want you to determine if ang ingredient na ito can be found ba in a chocolate product or in a skincare product.
Yes. And with that, Doktora,
Are you
eto.
testing my knowledge?
Yes.
Oh, why
Oh my.
not?
Of chocolates or of skincare?
Both.
Pwedeng both.
Okay.
Eto, Doktora, beta-glucan.
Beta-glucan sounds like a skincare product. What is it? I don't know. I can't see. I'm medyo bulag.
Both.
Oh my gosh, really? What
Yes.
is it? Why?
So, this is a powerful, soluble dietary... Take it. I'm a doctor, di ba? I'm an oncologist. We use beta-glucan in, injecting the chromosomes. So, this is a dietary fiber found in the cell walls of cereals.
I love
Cereal.
it.
Yeah, cereals.
Okay, paano siya napunta sa chocolate?
Well, when I was in...
Ngayon, kusinera ka na. Go.
when I was in CCA or Center for Culinary Arts.
Naks naman. Oh.
Yes.
Uy, may-ari yan. Pinsan ko, ha? Hello, Jean.
Hi, Jing. I remember Jing.
Yes.
Doctor, I know Jing.
He's my second cousin.
Yes.
So, tatanungin ko kung totoo naging
Yeah.
student ka doon.
Yes, of course. Because beta-glucan, it makes the beta Y and beta X. And then the
Yes.
glucose, it binds.
Ah.
So it makes
Ang
the
galing-galing mo
diba?
naman.
It makes the
Give me
chocolate
5.
sweeter.
Okay.
Love it. Up next, meron tayong maltodextrin. Can this be found in a chocolate or in a...
Dextrine. I'm not. Chocolate.
Tama!
Pero what's better? Light, brown chocolate, or dark chocolate?
Kami ni Makoy, we love white chocolate.
I love white
Super.
chocolate.
Kasi
What?
parang nakagraduate na kami sa tamis ng milk chocolate. Gusto namin yung tipong sobrang tamis talaga.
Pero, alam niyo ba, na ang dark chocolate is good for you.
Ah.
It's healthy.
I always love dark.
It's an antioxidant.
Well, we only want to make bad decisions. So,
Okay,
yeah.
very good.
Sabi nga nila, once you go
When you're
dark
30,
Once you go dark, you get canceled if you continue that saying.
No, once you go dark chocolate, the
XY,
malt,
tapos na
the
yun.
malt is maltier.
Maltier. Yes.
Okay.
SM Mega Malt.
Maltier. Ato, next.
Next.
Ferulic acid.
Definitely skin. That is the wonder skin thing right now.
Oh.
Ferulic acid.
Which is for, ano ba siya?
Antioxidant, diba? Stops free radicals. It works very well. Yeah.
Free radicals. So, meron bang radicals na binabayaran?
Wala. May mga trolls.
Ay!
pero walang
mga free, may nabayaran na radical trolls.
Trolls.
Political queen,
I love
Yes,
Doctor.
I know that game.
So, and then last ingredient. Tell us,
Last
Doc,
but not the
is
least.
this found in chocolates or sa mga skincare products? Rice bran extract.
Both.
Both.
Because Japan is well known for its rice, ewan for the face.
Oh.
That is very, very good. But of course, alam naman natin, kinakain natin ng rice.
Yes.
So, both, right?
Yes.
So, yung pag sobra yung rice nyo, ipahid nyo na lang sa Hindi. What they say is you're supposed to clean the rice in the water, and then the rice, whatever that goes in the water, is very good for your skin. I haven't tried it, people, okay, because I'm into Zenobaji products, but when I read, okay ba yung plugging ko?
Of course. Such a
Ayun,
natural.
Baji.
But I read that the Japanese women like to wash your skin with rice, water with rice dipped in it.
Yes,
Okay.
I love it. Well, I love it. Talagang alam ni Doktora
Well-
ang kanyang expertise sa chocolates and sa medical field.
Not just that, but also sa rice.
Correct.
But actually, I bet you can teach me.
Ay!
Baos and I can teach you.
Yes.
Who's better, you or you?
Both of
Both of
us.
us.
You
It
should-
is a duo. Because we do things together.
Yeah.
Together, okay.
But I think there are some expertise na magaling si Baos na hindi ako magaling, but also parehas.
We complement each other.
Makulang mo, meron siya.
Yeah.
Yes.
What's your zodiac sign?
Aquarius.
Oh, very
Sobrang
exciting.
gets,
Crazy
diba?
people. The crazy
Sobrang
people
gets.
of Aquarius. Martin Rivera, Chris Aquino.
Chris Aquino.
But you're true
Willie
originals.
Villame. Oo nga. Ewan ko.
Hawakan ng mga ticket.
Parang ano yun? Well, Ann Curtis.
Ann
yeah.
Curtis.
Ano pa ba? Basta, I feel they're a bit strange. I agree, I'm a bit strange. That's why people always used to say before, I'm not a doctor.
Ganon?
Oh. Kailangan ko dalhin yung aking sa bag ko para pakita yung diploma, tapos yung aking pagpapasa ng boards. Kasi I don't talk like a doctor.
Ganon?
I don't look like a doctor, which I think is, I don't act like a doctor. Yun, but I am a doctor. So matagal na po ako, 69, tigilan nyo na ako ha.
She's the coolest doctor that you could ever meet.
Correct.
Oh yes, I agree. Even, di ba?
Mm-hmm.
I took very good care of
Yeah,
Boy when
promise
he came to the
talaga.
clinic.
I love Dr. Vicky.
Yeah, you visit me naman in Nexa.
Oh, sige.
You also-
I'll visit you in Juan
Yes.
Ayala.
You
diba?
tell me
Visit
how
Juan
you tell
Ayala.
Sammy when, para I shall be there.
Para yung
Sige.
futuristic clinic.
Yeah.
Be there. Yeah.
Doctora, what's the song that you like to sing with us?
Yeah,
For
as
the
to-
closing.
Song. I don't know. I really Beanie.
I, every woman.
Oh wow.
It's all in her.
I'm the only totoong woman here. I'm sorry.
Thank you, Doctora.
Thank you, Doctora.
Maraming
Maraming
salamat.
Paki-edit na lang yung hindi pwede para hindi
No,
ako
lahat yun
pagalitan ng
lalabas.
aking
Lahat yun lalabas and this will be our last episode. Yes. Okay.
Hey.
So natanggal na natin ang pambabatikos ni Doktora sa ating mga mukha.
Correct, pero alam mo, Mare, no, doon ko talaga na-realize, kapintas-pintas pa rin pala tayong dalawa.
Oo naman. Saka talaga ang expert na mismo ang nagsabi, ayusin yung mga mukha nyo.
Oo. Hindi lang po ugali ang aming ayusin, but we promise you,
Diba?
mga ka-DDS,
Correct.
na pati po ang mga mukha namin na ayusin
Correct.
namin. Mag-wait lang kayo hanggang December this
Nila,
year.
Oplan beautification.
Oh my God, beautification.
The term beautification,
Diba?
alam mo, nung bata pa lang ako, nung narinig ko siya, putya, ang bading nun.
Ang bading ng beautification kasi it can go up to 3 topics eh.
Correct.
Number 1, it can go about the renewal of the cell.
Correct.
Number 3, metamorphosis.
And then the gusto ko yung number 1 and number 3. Akin yung number 2, ay aso.
Oo.
And yung number 2, the renewal of the driver's license.
Tama. Na ngayon ay 10 years na pag wala kang violation.
Correct.
Diba?
So, alam mo, as a motoring mom, ikaw,
Yes.
diba? Ano ang mga common violations na parang ayusin yung mga ugali, yung mga drivers, ha?
Alam mo, usually talaga napapansin ko, beating the red light.
Oh my
At
God.
feeling ko kailangan ituro sa atin ni Pity Queen.
Diba? Hawak mo ang beat ng red light.
Diba? Hawak mo ang beat. Paano?
Hawak mo ang
beat.
Hawak mo ang red light. Yeah, yun.
Red light.
Correct.
Ikaw ba, bilang isang driver, ano
Aha.
yung mga violations na...
I definitely have beaten the red light before.
Ako rin naman.
Diba? And feeling ko rin, sometimes, and I am only speaking in hypotheticals, pag nahaharang ka ng officer, minsan lumalabas ang acting prowess mo.
Totoo.
Parang, ay, sorry, hindi po kasi ako taga dito eh. Ay, ganun po ba? Red light po ba yon?
That's the usual di ba sabihin mo, hindi po ako taga dito, bago lang po kasi ako dito. Or di kaya, ang pinaka-effective solution talaga, yung pag maganda ka, tapos medyo naka-fundakels ka, Mare.
Correct.
Tapos nakita ka ng enforcer,
Say mo, I'm sorry.
sorry kuya. Tapos ang ganda ng lipstick mo pulang-pula.
Correct.
Diba?
Or what if hinarang tayo ng MMDA pero nasa mukha pa rin natin yung mga markings sa binigay ni Belo. Sabihin niya, sir, hindi lang kayo huli, ikukulong ko lang.
Pero, speaking of beautification, going back to beautification, ano yung mga routine na ginagawa mo that you feel beautified?
Honestly, definitely nakakatulong ang pag-workout sa akin. I think I always start my day with exercise kasi pampagising siya ng katawan.
Yeah.
Kaya kailangan talaga may buhat, may kaunting cardio, and after nun parang feeling ko, you know what, I will try to cure cancer today. Ganon motivation
Oo.
yung meron ako.
Ako, feeling ko kapag nakaligo ako ng 2 beses,
I mean, in this heat and in this economy,
kailangan mong maligo.
Oo.
Di ba? Sa lahat ng mga circus na nangyayari sa ating buhay ngayon.
Correct.
Kailangan mong maligo. Feeling ko hindi nga lang 2 beses, kundi 4 na beses, di ba?
correct, kailangan mong sabunin
Oo.
ang mga dumi.
Sabunin ang mga dumi at kumbaga
Correct.
kuskusan.
Pero isang napapansin ko sa'yo, I think, na feeling ko, energetic cleanse mo siya. Every now and then, nagpo-post ka sa Instagram, yung kumakanta ka lang sa bahay habang nagwawalis. Girl, yung pag-concert mo sa bahay, let's normalize that.
I-normalize natin yan.
Oo.
Dahil ang pag-awit habang naglilinis ng bahay, nakakawala ng stress.
Correct. Yaan ang next love language na maiimbento. Ang pag-concert habang naglilinis ng bahay.
Yes, kasi 5 ang love language.
Correct.
Pero pinopropose namin ni Baus na dagdagan na natin, gawin na nating 6.
Diba? Singing in the cleaning.
Kaya nga nung pandemic, nagkaroon ng yes, I do the cooking.
Yeah. Yes, I do the cleaning.
Nasaan na kaya yung babaeng yun? No?
Correct.
Yung,
Sino nga ba si Yes?
kasi di ba si Queen Yasmin post-pandemic?
Correct.
This girl, yung si Kim Arda. Yung yes, I do the cooking, yes, I do the cleaning. Pero alam mo, napansin ko talaga, tayo, yung mga beautification na ginagawa natin, me singing, you exercising, feeling ko, pag maganda talaga, yung pakiramdam mo throughout the day, feeling mo win na yun eh.
Correct.
Diba?
Totoo naman. Sometimes talaga kailangan mong i-manufacture yung magandang feeling like manonood ka ng Dog Show Divas kung
Tama,
feeling mo. Pero
diba?
feeling mo maguguluhan kayo lalo sa buhay nyo pag ganun, di ba? Yung pag-concert nyo. And also, honestly, memes. Nakakatulong ang mga memes.
Totoo.
Ito, bagong love language din yan.
Bagong love language na, di ba, sisendan kita ng kunwari dark humor memes.
Correct, oo.
Or minsan yung mga memes na katawa-tawa. Like, for example, yung mga binabanggit namin dito sa podcast na ginagawa ninyong memes.
Correct.
Mm.
Pero nagsisend rin kami ng jowa ko ng mga memes. Usually mga dog videos. Yung mga cute. Kayo, anong memes ang
Ni Jowa Bells.
Oo.
Mga memes about din kami, yung mga comedy movies. Yung mga ini-stitch.
Correct.
Ganon.
Yung medyo dark humor.
Medyo dark humor na
Correct.
parang ganyan pala si McCoy. Charot. Pero bilang nabanggit naman natin yung mga wins na yan, ano ba yung mga recent small wins na sineselebrate mo, sis?
Honestly, sobrang baka masyadong earnest to. Nung nakapag-podcast ulit tayo last week, after 1 month of not doing it, sobrang na-miss kita.
Ako din.
Parang na-realize ko, parang naging bisexual ako for a time. Kasi like, babae yung mga kasama ko. Tapos ngayon, ito na ulit, bakla na ulit ako, andito na yung original kong partner.
Ganon, di ba? Na para bang ito ay ang pagbabalat kayo at ang pagbabalik kayo.
Correct. At ang pagbabalik bayo.
Wait, alam mo, napakaano ng mga words na Filipinos.
Palakbayo, merong lakbay sa gitna because at the end of the day, it is an adventure.
It is an adventure and therefore, dito nanganak ang lakbayaw ng Viva Santo Niño sa Tondo.
I love it.
Grabe, ang lalalim ng mga Tagalog words natin,
Diba? Nakalakbay. Ang ganda ng word na lakbay.
Actually,
Which I think tells you, diba, na swerte ang mga bisexual. Lakbay.
totoong swerte ang mga bisexual. Maraming options.
Correct. Diba? Pwede ang mga Cebuano, bi.
Oo, 'di ba? Ang mga Davaoeños, uy, bye.
Diba?
Diba?
Pag gusto mo bumili, I will buy.
Bye. Pag gusto mo magpaalam, you will say
Bye.
bye. 'Di ba? Grabe.
Grabe. Alam mo, this podcast continues to be stupid.
It continues to be stupid. It continues to be oxymoron.
Oh my God, speaking of stupid, kabisado mo ba yung stupid love ng Salbakuta?
I am afraid hindi ko kabisado yung rap part. Well, rap naman siya talaga.
Correct. There's only one part.
There's only one part, sis.
Parang may namang chorus yung kanta ni
Oo.
Barbara Streisand. Wala lang. I love stupid
Yung
love.
nang ma-in love ako,
Nang ma-inlove ako sa'yo, kala ko
Pag-ibig mo ay tunay.
pero di rin nagtagal. Lumabas rin ang tunay
Tunay
na
na
kulay.
kulay.
Ang iyong kilay mapagmataas at lagi
Mimintas.
namimintas. Pero sarili kong pera ang
Iyong winawaldas para kang sphinx. Ugali mo'y
nakaka-shrink.
Shrink?
Kung hiyain mo ko ay talagang nakakasting.
Nakakasting?
Let us know in the comments.
Oo.
You always like to correct us.
Correct.
Diba? Girly bidi bye-bye. Girly bidi bye-bye.
Sino
So may
yung-
bisexual sa kanta ng Salbakuta.
Oh my God! Girly Billy bye-bye. Oo, don't tell a lie.
Because bisexuality is not a myth.
It's not a myth,
It is
it's
true.
Don't tell a lie. Bakit mo ako laging
Oh my
dinedenay?
God, Stupid Love pala ang anthem ng mga bisexuals.
Totoo.
Kaya pala yung Stupid Love yung spelling nung may number 2 kasi bisexual.
Tapos yung chorus, love, soft as an easy chair. Pansinin niyo yung mga bisexual na tomboy, lagi nakaupo.
Gusto ko yung bisexual na tomboy. It is completely illogical.
Completely illogical but also asexual.
But also informational. Because we just handed that information to you.
'Di ba? Tinuro ba yan sa inyo ng Senado? No.
Pero tinuro namin.
Because we are the Department of
Educational and ejaculational.
and Gender Equality.
Again, sabi ng mga nasa legislative, huwag niyong bigyan ng Soji Bill hanggang nandyan yung dalawang yan.
Correct. Kami po palang rason. Kaya kami po ay magpapaalam na. Charing lang. Pero alam mo, sa pagpasok ng 2010s, naalala ko lang, pumasok sa Filipino lexicon. Oh my God, lexicon? Is lexicon bisexual?
I think at this point, no. I think isa lang siyang con artist.
Isa siya, oh my God.
Lexicon.
Con artist. Is
Pathological liar.
art gay. Oh my God.
Your words, not mine.
Bumalik tayo dun sa art gay.
Correct.
Charis lang po. Pero alam mo, pumasok kasi sa Filipino lexicon noong 2010, yung word na deserve.
Correct. Yung
Diba?
deserve na lang ngayon, deserve na.
Deserve na. So how do you reward yourself for your life or minsan kapag ka alam mo nga deserve mo ng reward for your small
Honestly,
wins?
pag may small win, kailangan kain. Kain agad. Ako, emotional eater ako eh. Kakain ako kapag masaya, malungkot, inis, buwisit, bored,
Oo.
gutom, I will eat. And also, just speaking of go-to sa Jollibee, I mean, nung bata tayo, kapag meron nagpapa-birthday na ginawa mo, di ba? Pag nagpapa-birthday ka sa klase mo tapos Jollibee, alam mo,
Oo.
parang pinamukha mo sa mga kaklase mo na sobrang pasabog ka.
Sobrang pasabog ka. Pero alam mo, eto ha, sa buong classroom ninyo, sa section ninyo, kahit kaaway mo yung dalawa doon.
Aha.
Di ba parang, yan na yung Kahit kinuha mo yung magic pencil ko, winala mo yung eraser ko, deserve mo pa rin.
But now, di ba, as hardworking homosexuals, of course, deserve natin ang bagong Jollibee Super Meal.
Oh my goodness! Pero eto, Super Meal A.
Ito na nga ang Jollibee Super Meal, BVM Busog Variety Masarap. It's giving trifecta of culinary gastronomic tastes.
This is the triumvirate of busog-lusog.
Diba?
Mm.
This is the TLC, the girl group trios. Oh, meron ka, oh my God.
Oh my gosh. Tingnan ninyo, merong spaghetti, may chicken joy, tas may yum burger, and mare, hindi mawawala. Kailangan merong
kanin,
kanin. Pero alam po ninyo, itong super meal is the bastion of deservedness.
Correct.
Kasi as hardworking Filipinos na parehas kami ni Baus, nakakalimutan natin talaga yung mga bagay na deserve natin.
Correct, sorry. Sobrang weakness ko talaga tong Jolly Spaghetti.
Ay, alam mo, go na yan,
Girl,
Mare.
grabe talaga yung kulay. The signature Jolly Spaghetti red. Tapos pag meron pang hotdog,
Laban talaga.
gabi.
Laban talaga. Tsaka maraming reasons kung bakit super deserve ninyo ang super meal. Kunwari, maganda ang grades ng kapatid mo. Kasi, sorry, may kapatid ako senior high, kagagraduate lang, ang ganda ng grades. Nilibre ko nito.
Kunyari, naka 15K steps ka today. Di ba? Bawiin mo yung calories na na-burn mo agad sa isang meal.
Oh,
Diba?
na-promote ka. Manglibre ka.
Diba?
Ginawa mo nung elementary, di ba? Eto ang ilibre mo sa mga ka-team mo.
Di ba? Nagbati
Oh.
kayo nung podcast co-host mo. Kumain kayo nito.
Oh, hindi ka naka-attend ng birthday. Dalan mo nito. Oh, kahit ano ang small win mo, deserve mo ang Jollibee Super
Super
Meal. Alam mo, walang kupas ang Yum Burger talaga para
Saka
sa akin.
sorry,
Mare.
yung sa Yum Burger, yung dressing sa loob, iba eh. Alam mo, this brings back memories. Parang gusto kong mag-aral para sa exam kahit wala akong exam.
Ano yung chicken joy moment mo nung elementary ka?
Siyempre, yung the joy of seeing na drumstick yung nakuha mo. Nung bata ako, para siyang, di ba, kung ngayon blind box, dati malalaman mo, drumstick yung nakuha mo. Kasi siyempre, yung mga commercial ng Jollibee dati, yung manok, hawak-hawak na gano'n, di ba? So parang for me, para kang nanalo sa loto kapag yun yung na-assign na part sa'yo.
Chicken drumstick.
Correct.
Ako Thai part.
Di ba? I love it.
Pero alam mo, meron ding may mga iba ring consumers, ang bet nila, yung breast part talaga.
Lalo ngayon tumatanda na tayo, hindi pwedeng masyadong fatty, 'di ba? Kung gusto mo ng slightly leaner option, nandiyan ang breast part. 'Di ba? So kukurot na ako ngayon sa manok ko kasi gutom na ako.
Alam mo, kumurot ka lang dyan. Pero alam mo, napansin ko rin talaga, yung mga, kunwari yung cravings natin sa gabi, lalo na kunwari sa taping mo, di ba? Sa ginagawa mo ngayon. Pagka yung my God, feeling ko parang gusto ko ng deserve na meal tonight.
Or gusto ko, ano kaya yung ordering ko sa Jollibee? Girl, kung wag ka nang pumili, andito na lahat to. Spaghetti, chicken joy, kanin, gravy, burger, tissue, andito na. Oh.
'Di ba? Kumbaga yung pagka BVM, which is the busog variety,
masarap, sobrang pasabog siya.
kompleto
BVM.
talaga. Yeah, kompleto talaga.
So again, maraming salamat. Go get your Jollibee Super Meal now.
Busog variety, masarap. Busog variety, masarap.
At Mare, the summer season is about to end at paparating na tayo sa month of June, which is Pride Month.
Pride Month. Wait, Mare, before we go sa Pride Month, summer season starts March ba talaga for you?
At alam mo, because of global warming, parang sa Pilipinas, minsan February pa lang ang init na.
Oo. Kasi yung peak ng lamig, January talaga.
Correct.
'Di ba?
Sweater.
Sweater. Yung tipong pagkagising mo sa, ang temperatura ay 27.
May fog sa bahay yung charing wala.
Wow. Pero wait, okay, Pride Month, I'm looking forward kasi marami tayong ganap parehas.
Correct.
Na magkasama tayo.
Again, we have our live show. So, 2 shows, 1 week apart, sold out agad in less than an hour. Grabe po kayo. We're doing something sa QC Pride for a brand. So, nandyan kami ng mga around 12 noon. I-announce namin soon kung anong brand.
And the Pride March sa Quezon City is June.
27,
Yeah,
right?
June 27.
June 27.
Kaya sa mga kasama natin sa community, see you there.
Correct. But also, sa mga taong medyo regularly pumunta ng Pride Month, you know what to do, di ba? You have to be there early, you have to hydrate properly.
You have to lubricate yourself properly in
Correct.
terms of hydration.
And ihanda ang mga payong. Kasi I remember nung umulan, like 2 years ago, like it took me like 2 hours bago makalabas. So, again, ihanda niyo po ang sarili niyo. We all wanna celebrate, but also, pakitaan rin natin that we can do it in an orderly fashion.
Yes. So lahat po ng mga isinisigaw at idinudulog ng mga kabaklaan,
Oo.
pakinggan naman po ninyo.
Correct. But also, in all honesty, because nga, in the US, the DEI programs ay tinibag, di ba?
Oo,
I
oo,
think
oo.
meron ding mga certain corporations na parang hindi na sila magpa-Pride Month, which is kind of sad because nagtitrickle
In the US.
and some of it probably nagtitrickle down din sa Pilipinas kasi di ba like may mga multinational.
Yeah.
So, to the people who still wanna celebrate Pride kahit walang pa-Pride pa andar sa opisina nila, gawin nyo po yan.
Gawin
okay?
yan.
Kailangan natin yan. Communities are more important, more than ever.
Yes, because communities are communal.
Correct. And communities is nitis.
Nitis! Oh my God, speaking of nitis, and all the Becky words, what is the kumbaga pag naririnig mo yung Beckymon word or Becky word na to, parang nakikiliti yung utak mo. What's that word?
Right now yung give. Give mo na. Yun yung card ko na. Give mo na sis, give mo na. Ngayon yun ang give.
At saka sa mga kabaklaan, di ba? Ang daming pwedeng maging meaning yung give mo na eh.
Ang dami.
Ang dami, di ba?
Pwedeng nagpapakumbaba ka, ito give ko na sa'yo. Or pwedeng napipilitan ko na lang, sige, give ko na.
Oo. Or di kaya parang kumbaga parang reward, give mo na.
Give mo na yan.
Oo.
Or pag compliment, give mo na sa sisi ko.
Oo, ganon. Ako, para sa akin, yung word na charot.
Charot talaga.
Ang daming meaning ng charot eh.
Saka yung charot, in fairness, it has stood the test of time. Kasi there are words sa parang, okay, this year lang or 2 years lang. Yung charot, to be fair, like,
Oo.
malakas ang presensya niya.
Kung merong award-giving body sa linguistics ng kabaklaan, kay Charot na natin ibibigay yung 30-year awardee.
Correct. 30-year awardee, tapos every year na nanalo pa siya ng breakout word of the year.
Charot, wherever you are.
Thank you. Also, Charot readings. I want you to talk about that. That was a pretty nice era that you had, diba? Si Madam Tarot. So,
Si Madam Tarot, yes. Thank you, sis. Si Charot readings kasi, totoo naman yung mga readings talaga.
totoo.
No?
I
yun.
listened to that.
Totoo
Yeah.
yung mga readings doon kasi meron kaming astrologer.
Aha.
Tapos, yun, masaya siyang gawin.
Mm-hmm.
Kumbaga, ibang character din siya kasi nga, kasama ko doon si Hershey Neri, tsaka si Nikki Morena, tapos si Sho Suzuki din na kasama namin bilang co-host. So, that era is also unforgettable kasi first podcast ko yon.
Yes. And feeling ko, alam mo, baka every now and then, gawa kaya tayo din parang dog show, horoscope.
Alam mo, kailangan natin.
Diba?
Wait, to all the listeners, we want to get your insights.
Yes.
Do you want us, in every latter part of the show,
Yeah.
magbabanggit kami ng horoscope for the month or for the week?
Alam mo, because we are in the business of sometimes not listening to the audience, let us just pull out the horoscopes of the day.
Oh my
na
God.
magkaalaman na tayo. Sino
Correct.
gusto mong alamin na horoscope?
Siguro for me, I wanna know what's the horoscope of Scorpio.
Ah.
Kasi parang yung energy ng Scorpio lately, in the past 3 weeks in my life, parang ang gulo nila.
Ay, ito na nga.
Yes, ma. I'm
So,
talking to
May
you.
15.
Charot.
Di ba Mother's Day lang last
Eme
week?
lang, eme lang. Yes.
So, today is May 15. Scorpio, your head is filled with passion today. You may be feeling a bit more sentimental than usual. The one difficulty with this is that there may not be an appropriate situation in which to express this emotion.
Oh.
Pasok ba sa nanaranasan mo
Oo.
na?
Passive-aggressive sila lately.
Aha.
Oo.
So, ang gusto ko malaman siguro yung atin, Pisces, Aries, compatibility. Tingnan nga natin.
For what? For everything?
For overall, di ba?
Ah.
Aries and Pisces are a fire meets water pairing that combines passionate energy with deep sensitivity. While they approach life very differently, they can create a beautifully balanced relationship if they are willing to navigate their differences through compromise and open communication.
Compromise and open communication. Yung open communication, ginawa naman na natin
Correct.
yan. Compromise, marami na rin.
Correct. Every day.
Bigaya naman eh.
Totoo naman. Saka, 'di ba? Saka open relationship na kami now kasi meron ng Tuesday, meron ng
Oo.
Joy, 'di ba?
Hindi, tsaka yung open communication bit, natutuwa ako doon kasi we're very open. Sis, parang wala ako sa mood today.
Correct. Oo.
Ganun. So, tulad yan, you know what, when we were crafting today's episode,
oo.
ang gulo-gulo ng GC natin,
Ang
di ba?
gulo-gulo ng GC. Meron kaming mga batuhan. So basically, gines namin si Dr. Vicky Bello
Oo.
kanina. Nilabas namin yung mga questions na alam namin hindi papayagan ng team niya.
Correct.
So, sobrang nagtawa lang kami ng tawa. We wish pwede namin i-release yun, but that will very certainly be the ends of our careers, sis.
Correct. Kasi, ang nakakatuwa naman, yung compatibility, syempre may guidance ng universe.
Aha.
There is the guidance of the astrology,
Correct.
diba? And energy and sensing.
Aha.
Pero feeling ko, at the end of the day, what's really important is yung connection.
And alam mo ba, ang maganda rin sa Aries and Pisces combo, bookends tayo.
Oo.
I'm the first, you're the last. So we cover everything.
Yeah.
So one would say, this is the world map that you are looking at.
And what you're seeing right now are the face maps
Diba?
na binura na po namin.
Correct, 'di ba? Using a face mop. Kasi yun ang pambura ng sa face.
Yun ang pinambura namin talaga sa face. The face mo.
Oh, nakakatawa si Doktora kanina, no? I love it.
Alam mo, kanina natatawa ako kasi sabi nga, meron ba kayong Sharpie? Kasi feeling ko Sharpie mas okay.
Oo.
Para mas kita
Sabi
daw.
namin, baka hindi po namin mabura. May mga racket pa po kami after. Oo. So, I think by the time that people see this episode, of course, we trim down yung mga ibang parts ng kay Dr. Vicky Bello kasi meron siya mga sinabing parts na, guys, sobrang nakakatawa. Pero
Oo.
hindi po talaga siya pang public consumption.
Oo. Parang ano siya, pwede mo lang siyang marinig pag nagiinuman kayo.
Correct. So if you already thought that she was cool, trust us, she is way cooler with the unedited footage.
At saka nagulat ako last na kasi iba yung interview sa kanya sa typical mainstream media.
Correct.
Na nandito siya kanina, mas iba siya.
She did this earlier.
Oo.
And then, kayo na bahala. She did this earlier. I'm like, wow! Wow!
Tapos may comment pa siya doon.
Correct. Yan.
Pero hindi, yun.
Hawak niya ang mic.
Hawak niya ang
mic. Diba?
Sinong mic ang gusto mong i-guest sa Dog Show Divas?
Gusto ko si Magic Mike. Oh my God.
Oh my God. As in, ano?
Channing Tatum.
Channing Tatum. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Step up, no?
Correct.
Si Magic Mike.
Diba? Step Up, paborito movie ng mga Stravagays.
Step Up, oo. Sa Step Up, may favorite ka?
Step Up 2 yung...
Step Up to yung tumatak na eh.
oo.
Tumatak eh,
Yeah,
no?
correct. Yun for me.
For me din, yung
Oo.
tumatak.
Diba? So, kung maggagawa tayo ng Step Up, sino yung leads natin?
Siguro, ibahin natin ng konti. Gusto ko si Fiang.
Si Fiang. Oh my God.
Siya yung lead girl.
Siya yung lead girl.
Sinong lead guy natin?
Yung lead guy natin, gawin nating medyo kakaibang choice.
Okay.
What if ito ang comeback movie ni John Lloyd Cruz? Kung merong JM Fiang, may JL Fiang.
JL Fiang. Diba? Tapos ano, no?
Tapos ngayon, inaatake na tayo ngayon at this
Oo,
very
oo.
moment na
At this
mga
very
JM Fiang fans.
Oh my God. Natatakot ako sa life.
Correct.
Baka i-troll farm nyo po kami.
Mahal
Charing
na mahal
nga.
ko yung dalawa. I love them so much.
Oo,
Honestly, I mean,
naka-work
I
mo na.
think I talked about this. Like, sobrang saya ka work. As in, sobrang kalog at kulit nila, like off-cam. Pero when it's time for their sequence, sobrang pasabog. Parang, I love it. I love the youth. We are in
Tsaka-
great hands.
Tsaka ang ganda ni Fiang.
Girl, like,
Grabe, no?
as in, Chinita Beauty.
Oo.
Parang, di ba, parang yung modern generation na Chinita Beauty, si Fiang talaga.
Oo.
girl.
Cutis porcelana.
Totoo, no joke.
Ganon.
Malali.
Diba?
Oo. At Diyos ko, kailangan mo ng kutis porcelana during this weather kasi 'di ba parang hindi pwedeng lapot na lapot ka na.
Ay, tamang-tama,
At init na
Mare.
init ka na kasi hawak natin ang heat. Hindi pa rin matapos-tapos ang init sa Pilipinas.
Alam mo, speaking of hawak natin ng heat, hawak mo na rin. Yan, hawak mo na ang pamawid uhaw.
Ang mogu-mogu.
Oo. Alam niyo, etong mogu-mogu, ito talaga yung papawi sa mga pinagdadaanan nating init.
Correct. Nakakatuwa ang mogu-mogu para siyang kapatid ni Market kasi inuulit-ulit na parang si Bernardo.
Oh my God, Bernardo, the iconic Bernardo.
Diba?
I love him.
So I am now about to try the melon flavored and gusto ko siya kasi with nata de coco. I'm a nata de coco ka. No joke. Like, nata de coco. I love nata de coco so much.
Same. Nata de Coco. Alam niyo yung Nata de Coco, may kwento yan.
Go.
So, once upon a time, when the Spanish people or the Spanish Empire is still active, nung hawak pa tayo ng Spanish, meron silang nakitang puno. Ang tawag doon sa puno na yon ay gumo.
Gumo.
Yeah.
Correct.
Itong gumo tree na to, nagpo-produce siya ng lots of lactic acid.
Correct.
But also, the salicylic acid na pag nag-bind together, nagiging nata.
Correct. Kasi nga, natanim nila yon sa bakura nila.
Natanim na yon sa bakuran nila.
Oo.
Na ang siyang nagtanim ay si Coco Chanel.
Na dating kamag-anak ni Coco Martin.
Yes, kaya siya pinangalan na Nata de Coco.
Does it make sense? To us, yes.
Yes. Pero kasi, nung dumating ang mga Hapon,
Ang paborito ng Japanese,
Ang
of course, ay si Henlin San. Henlin San.
si Henlin San, so itong si Henlin San, nag-travel siya sa Bohol.
Correct.
Dito na nakita yung puno ng gumo.
Correct.
So, may Nata de Coco siyang nakuha.
Correct.
Sa Japan, bad word ang gumo. It's a bad word.
Gumuho ang mundo niya nung sinabi niya yun.
Gumuho ang mundo. So, ang sabi nga, kinausap niya yung Pilipino na nagtanim. Can you
Sabi
make
niya, hindi yan biro. Dahil ang magtanim ay
di
di biro.
biro?
Sobrang fun ng flavor. So, I am holding melon. I am holding strawberry. I am also holding coconut. So, kung gusto niyo coconut na tas nata de coco pa, ito na po yun. Pwede kang magdala ng 3 chulet sizes bottle. Chulet kasi sulit at makakatsuka. 220 ml po. Tapos, iba-iba pa ang flavors.
So, yun nga. To continue,
Aha.
pinalitan ng pangalan ng Gumo Tree. Ginawang Mogu Mogu.
Correct. Meron silang melon para sa mga time na akala mo wala, pero melon. Meron tayong coconut para sa mga times na nabuko mo yung credit grabber mong boss.
Ay, meron ka rin grapes para sa mga times of grapes of wrath. Chika! At syempre, ang lychee para sa mga rivalry sa gym na medyo heated na kasi very sexy ang flavor.
At ang strawberry para sa mga times na last straw na yan, higupin mo na.
Oh my God, last round na yan Give mo na.
Give mo na.
Kung gagawa tayo ng jingle for Mogo Mogo, ano yung una mong lyrics?
Ang bukas ay andito na.
Nguyain mo na, Bessie.
Ang nata ay nasa bunganga mo na.
Coco de nata.
Mogo-mogo.
Kudasai.
ACS. I am so happy na we are such composers.
I believe.
Diba?
I believe. Kasi hindi biro yung mag-imbento ka ng lyrics
Correct.
on the spot.
Correct. And that's not just the spot, that is the G spot. Yung spot na mag-go mo. 'Di ba? Go mo!
Oh! Gomo 3! Oh my God, it all traces back sa pagtatanim.
Na hindi biro because ang mga farmers po ay kailangan natin bigyang pansin na alala nyo na nagkaroon ng skandalo sa Senado. Tapos
Oo.
merong kailangan ayusin ng ating mga
Farmers.
Tapos wala, na elbow sila kasi may mga drama-drama na nangyayari na parang nakakaloka naman. So sinasabi lang namin, ay,
Alam mo na
bumalik ang galit ko ha.
alam mo na feel ko yung galit mo and I like it na na-bring up mo siya kasi hindi ko na kinakaya.
Hindi ko na rin kinakaya, girl. Sabi ko, dito na pupunta ang buwis natin.
Sis, nakakaloka talaga.
Circus by Britney Spears found jobless.
Alam mo, feeling ko dapat yung iba doon, sila na lang yung pumalit sa atin as host.
Correct.
Total, dog show naman sila.
Correct. Sabi nga may mga tao nagsasabi, medyo kailangan yung i-push pa ang absurdity ng podcast nyo kasi sa government lately, parang kinakabog nila ang pang-dog show natin.
Oo. Sila, pero hindi na sila dog show. Yung dog show i-retain natin. Anong ipapalit mong word?
Dog show demons.
'Di ba? Dog show demons.
But who are we talking about? We don't know.
We don't know.
We did not say names.
Wala kaming minention na
Wala
office.
kaming minention na TIN number.
Yeah, wala kaming minention na address.
Diba? Wala.
Wala kaming minention na basement parking slot.
Wala kaming minention na plate number na X204420-B.
Wala kaming minention na SUV brand.
Wala kaming minention na social security number na 4D:DX20.
At wala kaming minention na GSIS number.
Because at the end of the day, we are pathological liars.
Yeah.
Dog show demons.
Dog show demons.
At this point, whoever you are,
Wherever you are, resign. Yun lang yun.
Yun lang yun.
Di ba? So, alam mo, sobrang nakakaloka talaga.
Aha.
Na para bang...
sorry, you know what? Ilabas na natin.
Ilabas na natin.
Okay.
Total, platform naman
Sinabi-
natin
okay.
to eh.
Minsan, alam mo yung nagtatrabaho tayo ng marangal, ng maayos. Hindi rin biro yung trabaho natin because we work long hours. And gusto mong mangarap para sa sarili mo, sa jowa mo, sa pamilya mo. May mga bagay kang gustong bilhin for you, for yourself, to provide. Tapos makita mo na lang na may ganon. Parang,
Alam mo, at this point, dun mo marirealize na you guys doesn't protect the Filipino welfare
Correct.
at all.
saka nung pumutok yung issue na to,
Oo.
ang gulo-gulo na parang hindi, and I posted about this on Threads, like,
I saw
hindi
it.
natin alam kung sino ang mananalo sa gulong ito, pero for sure, tayong mga Pilipino ang talo.
Yeah. Kaya nga tama yung sinabi ng komedyante. I think wala tayong winner tonight.
Wala tayong winner tonight.
Kasi
And
lahat tayo talo.
At parang hindi lang tonight.
Oo.
Mukhang for many more nights to come.
Kaya nakita ko yung post mo sis na yung voters registration.
Yes.
Register kayo to.
I mean, by this time, if expired na or tapos or nag-deadline na sa voter registration when this airs, just please do your part in fighting fake news, fighting disinformation, look at the facts, diba? Really look for the communities that need the most attention because sometimes, because of all this circus and drama, we lose sight of the main plot. And the main plot belongs to the Filipino people na hirap because of this economy, because there is a war, because there is traffic. sila po ultimately ang kailangan nating tuunan ng pansin.
Correct. O, okay na. Happy na kayo.
Kayo.
Baka sabihin nyo, hindi kami nag-speak about what's happening in the country.
Correct.
O, ayan na. Yung friend ko, nilabas na. Ako, nagpipigil lang ako kasi baka matroll farm na naman ako ni O, siya na po nagsabi. So, sis, give ko na sa'yo. And that's it. Thank you, IKEA, for the set.
Yeah, thank you IKEA for the set. I mean, talaga nga naman, this table.
Yeah, the table.
I mean, nung una sabi ko, ay hindi na siya tumutunog.
Oo.
Pero hindi kami papatalo. Nilakasan na lang namin para marinig nyo.
Mara, isang bagsak para sa lahat ng mga...
Demonyo.
Demonyo.
3, 2, 1.
That's it. Thank you for watching.